Cloud computing broken down in 3 minutes. Welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we're about to explore the concept of cloud computing. Soon, you'll have a clear understanding of what cloud computing means. So, let's jump right in. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing can be defined as the practice of using a network of remote servers hosted on the internet to store, manage, and process data rather than a local server or a personal computer. At its core, cloud computing is a significant change to how we handle digital data. Picture this: instead of cluttering your devices, your data is stored on remote servers accessible via the internet. These remote servers are the backbone of cloud technology. Managed by tech giants and corporations, they house a complex network of servers that power applications, store data, and provide computational resources. How does cloud computing work? Now, let's delve into the mechanics. When you upload data to the cloud, it's fragmented and distributed across multiple servers. This ensures backing up of the data and safeguards against data loss. Through creating virtual versions of resources and load balancing, these servers work together seamlessly. This orchestration allows you to access your data from different devices, regardless of their location. Types of cloud services. Cloud computing offers a wide range of services catering to a variety of needs. Infrastructure as a service provides virtualized resources like computing power and storage. Platform as a service equips developers with tools for streamlined app development. And software as a service offers ready-to-use software applications. Benefits of cloud computing. Now, let's explore the advantages that make cloud computing a trailblazing concept. Flexibility is a key aspect of cloud computing. Scale your resources as needed without worrying about hardware constraints. The pay-as-you-go model ensures cost efficiency, letting you optimize expenditure. Collaboration becomes seamless with real-time sharing, and automated backups assure data safety. And with the cloud's flexibility, it's well-equipped to handle peaks in demand. Things you must keep in mind. With respect to cloud technology, there are key considerations to keep in mind. Data privacy and security are paramount. Ensure encryption and robust authentication mechanisms. And remember, reliable internet connectivity is essential for uninterrupted cloud access. To sum it up, cloud computing is more than just a buzzword. It's a transformative force shaping the digital landscape. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update.